let's queer up courts. Supreme Court surprise as they rule for 12-year-old trans girl in West Virginia.
Got some breaking news out of the Supreme Court, not far from where we're sitting right now, where a new decision from the justices means West Virginia cannot stop a trans girl from playing on the girls' sports team, at least for now, in a case that could have a bigger impact nationwide, with more and more states putting in place laws to restrict LGBTQ plus rights. You've got the court refusing to let West Virginia fully enact a law called the Save Women's Sports Act, which has the effect of letting 12-year-old Becky Pepper-Jackson stay on her school's cross-country and track teams. Again, at least for now. It all comes as the White House today is putting out a new proposal that basically says school sports teams cannot categorically ban transgender athletes. And they're calling out the anti-LGBTQ plus bills making their way through state houses across the country.
The Supreme Court has sided with a 12-year-old transgender girl who is challenging a West Virginia ban on transgender athletes joining girls' sports teams, temporarily blocking the state from enforcing the prohibition. West Virginia officials approved the prohibition in 2021. The law requires public schools to create sports teams based on the sex assigned at birth. Becky Pepper-Jackson, a 12-year-old transgender girl who currently competes on her school's cross-country and track and field teams, sued, alleging that the prohibition violates the Constitution. The Supreme Court denied the state's request to temporarily revive the ban, while the underlying litigation continues without explanation, as it often does in emergency cases.